Pick up a pencil. Here's the unsettling part. Nobody on earth knows how to make it. Not one person. Not the factory worker, not the CEO, not the forester. The knowledge to build this one object doesn't fit inside any single human head. In 1958, an economist named Leonard Read let a pencil tell its own story. The story is a supply chain that wraps around the planet. Start with the wood. Cedar, straight-grained, from the forests of Northern California and Oregon, felled with saws and motors and rail cars made by thousands more hands. The lead isn't lead, it's graphite, mined in Sri Lanka, blended with clay from Mississippi, then baked hard at over 1800 degrees. To write smoothly, it's bathed in wax, candelilla wax from Mexico, cut with paraffin and animal fats. 6 coats of lacquer give it the shine. One ingredient, castor oil, pressed from beans. The little metal band is brass, zinc and copper from 2 different mines rolled into sheet. And the eraser isn't even rubber. It's a material called factice, made by reacting rapeseed oil from the East Indies with sulfur chloride. Now count the hands. Miners, chemists, foresters, ship crews, even the people who grew the coffee the loggers drank. Millions of them. Read's point, not one of them knows how to make a pencil, and none of them was trying to. No committee assigned the work, no master planner drew the chart. They were coordinated by a single signal moving through the system. Price. Friedrich Hayek called this spontaneous order, a pattern that organizes itself with no one designing it. That's the hidden order in your hand, the most complex coordination on Earth, running with nobody in charge. Worth remembering the next time someone insists a single mind or a single plan can master a complex system. A pencil defeats one person. 1 million strangers, speaking only in prices, make millions a day.